encryption technology has been around for the better part of 30 years now. The challenge with all the email encryption technologies historically has been that it only secures the email in transit. And once the email is actually delivered and received by the recipient, then all bets are off. With Email Encryption Plus now from Seclore, what we are bringing to the table is not only encryption and security in transit, but in use. So when they're actually received that email and attachments, and when they're actually reading, replying, forwarding, consuming the attachments and so on, the security remains persistent with that attachment and email content. Now this is very powerful from an end-to-end lifecycle security of the email content. The second thing that the Encryption Plus technology does is that it allows for remote revocation and changing of access control to that email body and attachment. So for example, I could send an email today, and then 3 days later, if things change, the relationship with the vendor changes or the employee leaves the company, then that email can be effectively revoked. And the third thing, which is very, very powerful today in a compliance-led world of privacy regulation, is that who is using this email, what are they, each of the people doing with it, can be centrally monitored and audited. There are two ways of going about it. One is the more end-user driven model, where using a single click, any end user can protect an outgoing email, right? The second method is where we've done better than any other email security technology out there, where based on either the sender, receiver, domain, X headers and classification, the email can be protected automatically without the end user being a part of the enablement process. Or even better, if a DLP system is already inspecting the outgoing emails, then based on the DLP inspection rules, the outgoing email can be automatically protected. The good thing about the no-click protection based on parameters or the content is that it requires no end-user enablement of any sort. At Seclore, we have a lot of customers who receive confidential information from their own customers, and they're responsible and held liable for that data. And we heard those customers' requests, and we've created now a Seclore data protection portal where any enterprise can receive incoming data from customers, business partners, and make sure that even before the data hits any of the enterprise systems, it is protected at source. And this could be by way of incoming emails, which are protected even before they are delivered to inboxes, or it could be any kind of documents, for example, for a financial services company or a utility or a healthcare company, where these companies are collecting or being held responsible for a lot of customer data. That's the good news. So the Seclore Email Encryption Plus product really works with any kind of cloud or on-prem email service provider. It could be Office 365 or even on-prem Exchange, and it'll work seamlessly.
Thanks for watching, and join us for more enlightenment in our next episode.
I'm Vishal Gupta, and that's a wrap.